Here's the newest body I painted up for my Viper Scale Racing V3 platform. This thing freaking rips. I mean, it's completely stock. I painted the body with that it's kind of like a flip-flop paint. It goes from like green to purple. I thought it looked pretty cool. And then I put like the black background with the white lettering. But yeah, this thing freaking rips, man. It's super impressive how stock these things just absolutely fly. That's not even full throttle. I mean, I'm just doing this kind of half-ass just because I'm holding the phone recording with one hand and the controller in the other hand. You can only pay so much attention when doing that. But yeah, and then I recently upgraded to a new controller, and that makes a world of difference in itself as well with these slot cars. I think next winter I'll probably go with a aftermarket power supply. And then I got a couple more bodies that I'm going to finish up. I'm going to get a couple more Viper chassis for them. And then that new Mega G Plus I have in my other video, the Police Interceptor that comes with the LED lights. I'm going to obviously modify that next season too. So I'll have some new things coming up with the slot car world, but not anytime soon. But yeah, wow. What a fast car these are. And well, I guess it's not completely stock. I did put the Viper Racing independent front end on it, which that does make a big difference, honestly. So yeah, that's it.